We're a 123-year-old organisation, part of the Sun Chemical Group, so global reach, and we specialise in all elements of branding and packaging for consumer product groups and retailers. The real challenge that we're facing is probably best described as asset growth. So we've gone from a period in December 2014 of generating around half a terabyte a month of data. We're now producing a terabyte every 2 weeks. That gave us a real challenge around the traditional CapEx model of buying storage. How much do we buy? How often do we replace it? So we really needed a solution that would enable us to provide a disaster recoverable, business continuity compliant solution, so that if we lost the UK office, the Indian locations could keep working. That makes a traditional on-premises SAN storage solution fairly unappealing.
We helped Sun Branding identify a suitable solution that looked at their future requirements as well. We also looked at how we could drive cloud as a business enabler. So we enabled them to have their applications and services delivered in a hybrid cloud environment. It's given them the ability to access their assets in a secure environment, and it's given them the commercial agility to make cost savings to their business over time.
So Insight have a really good handle on some of the challenges that we're facing. It's really good to work with a vendor that brings us solutions that actually fit our pocket and our needs. We needed something that was a hybrid, and Insight brought to the table the Azure Store Simple solution, which gives us terabytes and terabytes of fast disk on premises, so we get all the benefits of the SAN, but with petabytes of cloud store that will grow with us as we need.
Where historically we would have seen things like Word documents and Illustrator files and PDFs being uploaded, now our clients are demanding things like 3D rendering all the way up to television commercials.
Insight's purpose is to build meaningful connections and help businesses run smarter. We did exactly that with Sun Branding Solutions. We gave them a greater level of customer service whilst increasing their business agility.
The first thing we did after successfully commissioning the system was to stage a failover test. Previously, we reckon we'd have been looking at probably 8 weeks to restore everything from tape. That failover took us 15 minutes, recovered up into the cloud, and in fact our Indian locations didn't even realise that we'd conducted it. It was up that quickly. Data scales with us, the costs have reduced. We have a fully disaster-proof solution which is now independent of any of our locations. We're really pleased with the outcome.